Hey y'all, it's Katie. Welcome back to From My Vanity. Before we dive into today's video, I do want to throw a disclaimer out there. I am sick. I have caught my kid's cold. I've tried to give it a couple days to just kind of rest and get over this so I don't sound so nasty on camera, but I'm getting to the point where I'm still congested. I'm still just all sorts of sick and I'm falling behind on my recording schedule, so I was like, you know what? I've got my Boxycharm here. Let's just do a quick little video and hopefully you guys don't mind. I will do my best to edit out as much as I can so you guys don't have to hear me sniffle, but I can't do much about my voice, so just throwing that out there. But yes, I did get my Boxycharm and I wanted to jump on here and unbox it for you guys. I'm super excited to get into it. But before we did dive into it, I did get an email with a bunch of dates that I wanted to share with you guys, just so you guys know. Boxycharm is going to be doing, as you guys heard in my last video, they're doing a lot of new things. They're just introducing a bunch of new things at the end of the year. November is kind of the first kickoff month, so they have a bunch of dates that they sent me in an email, and I wanted to let you guys know just so you're aware of these dates that are coming up and what's going to be happening. So Boxycharm is going to be doing a Boxy pop-up. So on the 11th, early access opens for Boxy Luxe and Boxycharm premium subscribers and waitlisters. You can visit boxycharm.com in order to shop really good deals. So it's not like a pop-up in a certain location, it's on their website. So if you are premium or Boxy Luxe subscribers, I am neither of those. I just get this box sent to me as PR, but if you're either one of those, you can log in on Monday, November 11th. Doesn't say a time, but they should have a lot of great makeup deals up to 80% off. So that sounds really promising. And if you are not one of those, on Tuesday, November 12th, that is when any and all active charmers can jump on the website boxycharm.com and be able to shop all the deals that are left at 80% off. So that's pretty cool. I'm curious to see what type of makeup deals that they will have and if it's going to be worthwhile. I know Boxycharm tends to be hit or miss in their charm room. That I think that's what they call the charm room. So I'm hoping this new Boxy pop-up means that they're kind of refreshing the whole charm room and really refreshing what kind of makeup that they offer for sale on their website. So the next little intro that I want to let you guys know about so you're aware of as it comes up. On Tuesday, November 12th, the choice for your future Boxycharm, so the choice for December's Boxycharm, opens for 48 hours for all active Boxycharm subscribers not upgraded to Boxy Luxe. So I imagine if you miss that window, then they just pick randomly for you. Not really sure. And then on Thursday, November 14th, a couple days later, the choice for December's Boxycharm for Premium opens for 24 hours for active Boxycharm Premium subscribers only. So those are the dates. And of course, you can go to Boxycharm's website. I always have it linked in the description box. It is an affiliate link, but I always have it down there and you can peruse their website and learn all this yourself. And the last date that they gave me in the email was the complexion customization. So Wednesday, November 6th is when it opens up. The complexion customization quiz opens for all active charmers. I don't see a end time on this, but what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to swatch the Becca or Pretty Vulgar complexion packets that are in your November box. So there's like a sample packet here with some colors, like skin tone colors. And then you can visit the website and input which shade was best for you so that when you get your December box, it'll be the best match for you. So that's kind of cool. Definitely makes Boxycharm a little more complex, but I'm excited to see that Boxycharm is stepping out and trying to make it more customizable for their subscribers. So anyway, those are the dates that they did include in the email, and I just wanted to share with you guys so you guys are aware of all those moving forward. But now let's go ahead and open my November box. But anyway, okay, so lots of stuff in here. It says Boxycharm Stellar is the theme of the month. They have all of the information inside. They have some coupons. So they have Dragon Beauty if you want to shop on their website. Get the full fantasy with 15% off your next purchase of over $80. Visit this little bit.ly tracking link. I'll have it listed down below, and use code BOXYDRAGON to get 15% off of your purchase. Has to be over $80, and then you get the 15% off. And then they also have a code for Natasha Denona. Save 30% on Natasha Denona Safari Palette, Sunset Palette, or Eyeshadow Palette 28. I'm not sure what that is, or which palette that is. Visit, again, another bit.ly tracking code. I'll have it listed down below. And use the code ND and Boxycharm EPNOV. I'll have that listed down below as well if you're interested in using it. But 30% off Natasha Denona sounds pretty sweet. So yeah, that's everything in the information pack besides what we got in the box. So let's just look into that. Oh, really quick. So this is a little sample packet. So it's just kind of like a sample that you can get free with an order, but they include a variety of shades. I hope that there are a variety of cards that they're including in their Boxycharm, because I can already tell you all 3 of those colors are going to be too dark for me. I mean, I don't even know if I can go on the website because as I said, I get this box sent in PR, so I need to contact my contact at Boxycharm and see if I need to let them know what color works best. But it does look like that I'll be getting, or should be getting, or if I was a subscriber, I would expect to get the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, which is pretty cool because I've never tried it, and I think that's like a $42 foundation. Anyway, let's get into the box and actually get into the products now that I've been talking for forever. Okay, so the first thing I see is something from Boxycharm. I don't know if this is a collab with a brand. No, it's Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. Boxycharm is coming out with brushes. Interesting. This retails for $35 for 2 brushes. This kind of reminds me of Moda. Okay, the style and like the look of it kind of reminded me of Moda, but now that I look at it up close, the quality does not remind me of Moda brushes. And $35 for 2 interestingly shaped brushes? I don't know. So the quality, what I mean by that, don't mean to be mean, but like there's a lot of bristles going off in different directions, and then the top, while it's mostly all nice and even, I don't think you'll be able to see that. There's definitely more than 10 bristles standing higher, like they weren't cut properly, put it that way. They don't fall out, or like I can't pull them out, so that's good. It means they're not like loose in there. Let me see if I use it, if I see any falling. No, it's a very dense brush. It's very nice and soft. The bristles just kind of threw me, but yeah, I'm assuming these are for like foundation and chiseling. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquid, cream, powder, or mineral products. That's what I would like to try it on. I think a mineral foundation would be nice. And then the foundation brush, which I guess is this, because they said this is a large multitasking powder brush. So then this is the foundation brush. It's an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try this out. Like I said, I feel like $35, I wouldn't pay that just looking at these, but who knows, maybe I'll love it. Like, can you see this? Maybe I'll love it. Oh, that one fell out. But, yeah, I'm gonna have to try these out and see. I mean, I'm always down to getting brushes in subscription boxes because you pay less for them, so I'm not as mad at the price. Really unique and innovative like style and handle and stuff like that. They seem promising just because of how dense and soft they are. I feel like they'll work really well, but hold tight for my review before you go out and spend $35. Who knows, maybe the whole pop-up, they'll have them discounted extremely and then they might be worth a try, but I don't know. I'm not sure what to think about these. But yeah, I'm gonna stop blabbering about these since I don't know. I hate to crap on a product that I haven't given a chance to, but those are just my initial first impressions just looking at the brushes. Next up is a Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in Champagne Pop. Oh, this is the whole Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. I never did get it. I only own one other Becca highlighter, and that is in Prosecco Pop. Oh, why does my highlighter drawer have to be the farthest? Yes, Prosecco Pop, and I got this in a previous Boxycharm. But there's what she looks like, so I want to compare it to see if I need to even touch. I don't need a highlighter, but if I, you know, feel like I need to try Champagne Pop. So here's Champagne Pop. I feel like it's such a popular one. And then here's Prosecco Pop. Definitely much darker. I feel like the Champagne Pop would probably be a better match for me. I don't know, I like gold highlighters. Let me know, is there a big difference in quality and like, not quality, but like pigmentation and stuff between the Champagne Pop and the Prosecco Pop? Because I think the Prosecco Pop is pretty, but I have noticed that at least this Prosecco Pop isn't my favorite highlighter. So here I'll just swatch for you Prosecco Pop on my hand. Like, it's pretty, but it takes a good bit of building, and I don't know, I just feel like I have prettier and cheaper in my collection. I don't find myself reaching for Prosecco Pop very much, so that's kind of why I don't want to dig in and swatch this unless you guys tell me that Champagne Pop, the one that Jaclyn Hill collabed with them so long ago and has never died, is something special and different than like Prosecco Pop. But anyway, this does retail for $38. Another huge value in this box. And I know a lot of people like myself get super excited for highlighters. So if I didn't already have a huge collection, if I didn't already have experience with Becca's highlighter quality, you know, already have one in my collection, I'd be extremely excited for this. But for right now, I'm going to hold off on touching it. You guys let me know. Give me some feedback. What do you think? Do you think it's worth diving into and trying? Is it something special and different than Prosecco Pop? Or should I just keep it for like a future giveaway or a future gift to one of my sisters or something like that? Let me know your thoughts. But that's really awesome to get in the box. I am excited for that. Next up is from Cypress? I think it's Cypress? I don't know. Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Oh my gosh, this retails for $90. My word. I was not guessing that. I mean, it's skincare, and I feel like this brand was expensive, but I would not have guessed $90. What does this stuff do? Antioxidant Dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals, used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. Huh. I'll have to look and see what the ingredients are in this. See what's so $90 special. And maybe I'll give it a try. I just feel like right now I'm so overloaded in skincare that I'm hesitant to pull out a product, especially with it being a dropper. I feel like skincare in dropper forms go bad a lot faster, so if you don't use it every day type of thing, it's just going to go to waste, and that's expensive to let it go to waste. So I don't know if I'm going to be opening this or not. Oh, it says made exclusively for Boxycharm. So it's like a collab with Boxycharm. Interesting. Gorgeous packaging. Like, that's really pretty. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into the ingredients. It looks like a lot of oils and extracts and stuff like that. So sounds promising, and oh my goodness, that value. That's expensive. I feel like my coloring's so off today. I tried to do something different to try to get it to show more true to color, but I don't know if I did that. Okay, this is by far the highlight of the box for me. This is from Dominique Cosmetics, and it's the Celestial Thunder palette in like a mini form. I'm not sure. I think this is made just for Boxycharm, I'm assuming. Like, she has the big palette, but then she made and created this for the Boxycharm. At least that's the first time I've seen it. And it's like a mini version of the palette. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. Let's see. This retails for $35. And yeah, it's an explosion of vivid pigments, glittery foils, 8 unique shades. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea if she's going to start selling this mini palette on her website or if this was just for Boxycharm, but I am through the moon, so very excited, because this was one of the shades that caught my eye in the original big palette. This was definitely a shade that kind of intrigued me, and then this is such a fun shade. I cannot wait to play. I'm a little like, oh my goodness, what would I do with this palette because of these two shades? But I love that in a palette. Kind of makes you create different types of looks and go for different type of things. So yeah. Oh my goodness, I am so excited about this palette. I cannot wait to get into it and give Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadows a good try. I have tried one of her palettes. She just came out with a fall collection. It was all matte though. I'll leave it linked up here. I did eye swatches of it. It's an all matte, so I'm curious to try her foiled and glittery shades. These two look like they'll be, I don't know, almost glittery and see-through, like a kind of eye topper, but this looks like it should be metallic. It's so interesting. Like, in the camera it looks very pink, but from the side here I get much more of a peachy vibe, so I'm assuming it's something like a duochrome type of shade. But oh my goodness, would you guys like to see eye swatches of this palette? Let me know down below. If I get enough requests, I'll do that. I feel like I'm starting to kind of get piled up with eye swatching requests and palettes that I want to eye swatch. So if I don't hear enough interest, I'll probably just give you guys an update in some future point on what I thought about this palette. But I'm so excited. It's so pretty. I don't even want to touch it. Like, I love how it has the DC you know, little emblem in each of the little shadows. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm just going to touch a couple. Let's see how the mattes are. The pink and the blue. And then let's do this really cool color there. And, you know, let's do the glittery one. Oh, I wish I wasn't so sick right now. Yeah, that's definitely, oh my goodness, can I swatch? Oh, I'm not, don't mind me, I'm just a beauty YouTuber over here doing a terrible job. This is definitely just like glitter. There's like no pigment to it, but I mean, you know, that's not a bad thing. Not my preference, but this one's a lot more promising. It has more pigment to it and still a good bit of glitter. This one has more glitter to it. So let's swatch those mattes. It's nice. That shade is tricky anyway, so it's really hard to really say if that's a good shade, like a good formula, until you get it on the eyes, just because that color is so tricky. I feel like it always looks a little patchy. But yeah, that one's a lot nicer. That went on really smooth. That one's nice. This blue one, or whatever kind of color it is, kind of reminds me of one in Butter London, but this one swatches a bit nicer. So there's that. That's promising. We'll just have to wait and see, and I'll see how I like it. But overall, just the fact of getting this in the box just has me through the moon. As I said, it is $35 retail value, so a lot of really high price items, high valued items in this box, and that packaging, like, do we also see how Dominique Cosmetics is, where is it? Can you guys see? You can barely see it except it's underneath Celestial Thunder, and you only really catch a glimpse of it in like certain lighting, so that's really cool. Okay, last up, I almost missed it. These are sheet masks, look like, from TULA. They were at the very bottom. TULA Skincare Star Power Nourishing and Brightening Cosmetic Hydrogel Mask Set of 2. This retails for $22. So that's a very high price tag, but yeah, they're really big old packets. TULA, I feel like I've tried their face masks before. But yeah, that's always exciting to get sheet masks. As I've said, I'd rather get a sheet mask in a subscription box. For me personally, I'm just not into sheet masks, especially right now. I just don't have time, but I'll pass them along to my sisters. But $22, that is a high price tag for these babies. $11 for a one-time use product. I just can't wrap my head around that, but it is neat to get it in a subscription box that you paid, like, basically the price of both of these is the price of the box. Okay, so I had to go ahead and do the math just because I've been so blown away by how high the price points have been for everything, because I feel like usually they have a like $5 or $7 eye pencil or lip pencil thrown in there, and the total value of this box is $220. I almost wonder if I got the premium. I don't know, maybe this is just how they're going to be from now on, and that's the reason. If that's, you know, if this is just the regular box, I feel like that kind of justifies the uptick in your monthly subscription, because, oh, I'm going to blank on the number, but they did go up in price. I'll have it listed here on the screen how much it is now going forward for you to pay each month in order to get this box. But oh my goodness, I just can't believe all of the high valued items and the really high-end products that you get in here. But yeah, over $200 value in my box. I am absolutely blown away and absolutely over the moon excited to get into this baby. Of course, this is the highlight of the box for me. But yeah, that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm. Let me know once you guys start getting your Boxycharms, what did you get? Also, let me know what you guys picked when you had your choice for this upcoming month. So you should know at least one product that you're getting in your box. So what did you pick? What was the choice? I'd love to hear. But yeah, that is going to do it for this Boxycharm unboxing. As I said, I get the sent as PR. I am an affiliate with Boxycharm, so my link down below is an affiliate link, and if you use it to sign up, then I will earn a commission from your sign up or your initial sign up. But if you do use that, thank you so very much. I have been a couple people who have signed up under my link, and it always just warms my heart and blows my mind that people would use my link, so I really, really do appreciate it. And yeah, thank you so much. So that is going to do it for this video. I'm not going to be having reviews from last month's box. Let me know if you guys missed that. Would you like me to start implementing that again? Today, I just figured I would just do an unboxing and keep it a little bit shorter, but let me know if you have any opinions or if you missed that or if you found that very helpful. But yeah, with all that said, for the umpteenth time, I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.